This is the final call for Makers Rock 2022. Okay, so makers from across the globe are going to celebrate some of their favourite album covers in a myriad of artistic mediums and then give them away! In less than 24 hours time, participating makers will release their build videos into the YouTube community. This year we've got everything from AC/DC to ZZ Top, Big Country to the Beatles, and Green Day to the Grateful Dead, just to name a few. Check out the video descriptions for links to all the makers involved and possibly even details on how to win the artworks. For my giveaway, I ask for nothing more than to be a subscriber and to like and comment on the video. One lucky winner will be chosen at random from the comments. This giveaway is open to anywhere in the world. If you'd like to share the video around, then you would of course have my sincerest gratitude, but this is not a condition to the giveaway entry. Good luck, one and all. And as one or two of you may already know, this weekend is Makers Central at the NEC in Birmingham. I have some friends demoing there that would love as much support as possible. Wayne the Wood Turner, Scott the Bluelight Turner and Katie aka KT Wood Turnings will be demonstrating all weekend for Yorkshire Grit on Taylor's Murfield stand, C12.
Do it for Yorkshire!
And Jake and Jamie will be going live with Saturday morning cartoons at 4 PM UK time on the Easy Wood Tool stand. Come along and keep it classy. The Huey Lionsheart Road crew and I are going, so if you see us, say hi and maybe grab a sticker or swap one. There's always space on our Rogues Gallery sticker wall for you guys. But whatever you're doing this weekend, have a good one, stay safe and keep on living the dream.